Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So we are going to start off a series wherein we are going to discuss about a career in general, specifically related to product management. It's a very interesting field, one that sits at the intersection of a lot of functions, right? So we're going to deep dive into what exactly do you mean by when you say that I am into product management, or someone brings it up in the conversation that I manage so and so product for XYZ company, right? So essentially, see what happens when you are into a product management role is that you are at the you are basically at the center of a lot of different teams. You work very closely with the engineering teams. You work very closely with the design teams. And in some cases you might also have to work with the AI and ML teams. Right, all of these. The way I would like to classify them, these teams are internal facing, as in like these teams do not have any, or I would say very limited exposure to the customer side. What do I mean by customer side? We'll come to that. And then there are also, I think, teams in your organization that look into the customer success aspect, things around, like for example, is the product functioning well, demos, maintaining that ongoing relationship, so on and so forth, right? So, and then you have your traditional marketing role, before the product is launched or for an upcoming launch. You need to, like, do webinars. You need to, inform the customer, position, branding, so on and so forth, right? So, what about the pricing, etc. Right? So that's essentially what marketing does, and then sales is obviously the ones that are responsible for generating revenue by ensuring that the product is actually on the. Some of these might exist, depending on the org. So, for example, if it is a B2C product, then you probably might not have a sales function because customers are coming and searching for you, on your own. Or, for example, if it is not an, AI and ML based product, then you would probably not have too much of interaction, limited interaction or no interaction with the AI and ML teams. So what is a product manager? The product manager essentially then becomes, in this, I would say, ecosystem, a person or a team that is, sitting at the center of both these internal org facing teams as well as external org facing teams, right? A PM is basically, or a role, or a product management department, if you have to put it, is essentially looking to bring uh, these teams together uh, to essentially solve some particular problem. Now, how does the product manager solve it, and what are some of the areas that the product manager focuses on? We can look at it in the next video. But for now, I hope this video actually helped you understand, like, what is it that the product manager actually does. Thank you.